Hi. Hi, Luna. Hi. Even you miss your design. Luna, you just want belly rubs. You don't even sad to see me. You just want belly rubs, huh? You good? Are you good? Are you good? Let me Mr. Two. Let me try to open. Hi. You're so cleany, to be honest. You don't want me even to just turn on the light, bro. Like, come on. Let me turn on the light. Nice. Hi. Look at this cleany dog. You don't want me to do anything. You just want belly rubs, huh? Luna, come on. Why are you being greedy? You don't want me to do anything, bro. You just want belly rubs, huh? Funny. Hi. So what are you gonna eat? Okay, Luna. Mbona unanishtua hivyo fahamu? Chill out, bro. What? What's up? What's up, Luna? You're just finding wherever I is. How you doing? What's up, people? I hope you all miss me, cause I'm back. And today, guys. Today, so I'm babysitting my brother's dog. Her name is Luna. So I'll be babysitting her. I'm not good at babysitting. I've never done babysitting, let alone a dog. I've never babysitted a dog, bruv. No, here she is. She's just chilling. Luna, you good? Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be babysitting my brother's dog. And yeah, guys, so yeah, hope you'll enjoy the video. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. You're acting like I didn't see that. I saw that, Luna.